Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to play Among Us game. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to play Among Us, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. If not, go to your Play Store and search for Among using the search box. Simply download the application on your device, and once you do that, tap open the game. Among Us is basically a game of survival where you either have to vote off all of imposters and complete all the tasks, and the imposter has to kill all of the crewmates or stop them from completing the designated task to win in order to play the game. You can either play it locally or simply play it online. If you tap on how to play, you'll be able to see the instruction on how you can play your game. It will literally show you how to perform every task and control of the game. Before joining your game, make sure to visit this page and learn how to do it. You can also practice in free play mode if you don't know how to play it. In order to do that, tap on free play. Select one of the options over here and start exploring. You'll be able to see the list of the tasks that you'll need to perform at the upper left. After each task completes, you can move on to the next one. After you're done with the free play, you can go ahead and join in the game. In real time, either join local or join a game online and start playing. That is how you can play Among Us game on your Android device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.